In this video, I will guide you on how to get the DuckDuckGo website on Android. Now, there are two ways on how you can do that. First one is open up any web browser. Then you want to search DuckDuckGo. Go ahead and click on this website right here, DuckDuckGo.com. As you can see, you have accessed the DuckDuckGo website. Now you can simply search for anything that you want over here. Search for that. So this is one way to get the DuckDuckGo website on Android. Another way is you want to launch open Play Store app on your device and search for DuckDuckGo. Now this is the application you want to select. Now tap on the install option. Wait for the downloading to be completed. After that, DuckDuckGo app is going to be installed on your device. Once it has been installed, tap on the open option. From here, you can access DuckDuckGo. So in this way, you can get DuckDuckGo website on Android. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.